Fisker's new electric SUV rolling off the assembly line. Phil LeBeau is there live. Phil?
Hi, Andrew. A big day here in Graz, Austria. We're at the Magna facility, contract manufacturer for the Ocean, which is right here behind Henrik Fisker, founder and CEO of Fisker. You're starting manufacturing today. A lot of people were very skeptical about the asset-light approach. You believe this is proof that it can work, correct?
I think it is. I mean, we're standing here, there's a ton of cars rolling off the line, and I think, it's pretty amazing we actually hit startup production as we promised a couple of years ago after we went public. So very exciting day, and I think the proof is here.
Deliveries start next year in the U.S. and Europe. You've got, over 60,000 reservations, but can you ramp production as quickly as you want?
We actually got over 63,000 reservations, and we are planning 42,400 cars next year, which is very dramatic for an EV startup, but I think we can do that because we are in an existing plant here at Magna.
You are, but when I talk with Magna executives, even they admit the same challenges that every other automaker faces, the supply chain. It's just not strong worldwide for the entire auto industry. Does that give you pause as you try to ramp up production?
It's true. Supply chain is the most difficult part right now, and in fact, Magna could probably produce even more cars if the supply chain could handle it. So if you look at our ramp up, we actually start with 300 cars in Q1 next year, which is really not that much, but then we go to 8,000 because at that point we feel that the suppliers are with us. So we have actually seen if we give the suppliers the time, if we spend enough time with them, we can bring them along.
Your first model is being built here, but your next model is the Pear, and that's going to be built at the Foxconn plant in Lordstown, Ohio, production starting in 2024. What have you learned here that you think you can apply to the Foxconn plant in Ohio?
Well, I think the earlier you can plan things out with suppliers, the better. Second part is built to manufacture. We did that here with Magna. We're going to do that with our next car. In fact, we have involved our manufacturing chief and his group into the development of the vehicle from the very beginning. And that's going to be one of the most important things because don't forget, we want this car to be under $30,000.
You know that there are more than a few people who look at your stock price and they say, Fisker is an example of an EV startup that's not going to make it. You've got, about $800 million in cash on hand. And yes, you're going to start deliveries. That will help the cash flow. But they look at your company and other EV startups and they say, you're either going to need more capital or you're just not going to make it. What do you say to those people?
Well, I think the difference with us and probably other EV startups is that we actually pay the same price from the first Ocean coming off the line today as we do for the Ocean coming off the line December next year. So we don't have to pay for any inefficiencies. So our vehicles make profit from day one. That's number one. Number two, we are with very, very skilled people here that are building other premium brands. So I think that's a huge advantage. And number three, we don't burn billions of dollars every quarter. We have a CFO that is super tight with the money, which sometimes, I can't even say no to. It's just the way it is. And that means that we're actually not burning that much cash. So $800 million in the bank is a lot. That'll take us well into next year.
This base model will start at roughly $38,000, but it doesn't qualify for the new EV tax incentives under the Inflation Reduction Act. How much will that slow down demand, do you believe?
It actually hasn't. We have actually seen increased demand.
But that's because you told people, get your incentive in now if you want this. But how much do you think in the future it may hurt?
No, we actually did take in a lot of people at that 1 week in August. But since August, actually our demand has increased the last month. So I'm surprised about that. Maybe part of it is, as I think that there will be some changes to this IRA because in the end of the day, it was announced in August that if you manufacture a vehicle in the U.S. with U.S. certain type of battery materials, then you'll get certain, incentives, and it'll start in January, 23. That's right. 6 months. Nobody can build a factory in 6 months. It takes at least 2 to 2.5 years. So I think realistically we should have sort of a lean-in period for a couple of years.
You want that. The Koreans want that. The Japanese automakers are also leaning on the administration to change the rules, add more flexibility.
And the Europeans, by the way.
And the Europeans.
Yeah.
But is that realistic to expect?
I think it is because in the end of the day, what I think the U.S. government they want a quick move into EVs and they want U.S. production. But again, nobody can make U.S. production in 6 months. So I think to get everybody to really be incentivized to do U.S. production, you need a serious time frame. And a serious time frame is 2 to 2.5 years.
Quick question. The solar panels on the roof. Some are going to look at that and say, nice gimmick. How much does it really add in terms of mileage?
Well, in an average, I would say 2,000 miles. But if you live in
a year,
but you live in California or Arizona, it could be even more than that. So in the end of the day, this is free. But maybe even more important, this is the cleanest energy you can get.